When you're a content creator, it feels like Christmas every week, literally. Unboxing haul. What? Look at all these boxes. I have over 24 unopened packages. This is gonna be a fun unboxing. Hey besties, and welcome back to my channel. It is my second video. Yeah, thank you. Some of these are PR, some are TikTok shop products, some are collab products, because if y'all didn't know, I am a full-time content creator on TikTok. So that's how I get so many packages every day. But if you guys also want to know how I became a full-time content creator / influencer, definitely let me know. Also, I'm a full-time dog mom. This is my baby Mila. I have some super cool products in here. I can just tell by the boxes. We're in for a good one. This is gonna be a good unboxing. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Sharon J and I'm your new YouTube bestie. Now that we've established our friendship, let's get into this unboxing. Let's start over here. I should probably grab some scissors. Hold on guys, I'm gonna get some scissors. This is actually from TikTok. They sent me the brand Wavy Talk. They sent me the heated round brush. I think this is the pink brush that I wanted. I'm also a TikTok shop creator, so random brands send me packages all the time. The round brush, and it's pink. Wavy Talk is such a good, reliable hair tool brand, and it's pink. My favorite color is pink. Obviously. I love me heated round brush, y'all. Let's open this one next. This is from Skincare Bakery. Oh, not me being Hulk and breaking the package when it just literally opened like this. Skincare Bakery body butter. I've seen this literally all over TikTok, y'all. Have y'all seen this all over TikTok? Oh, it smells so good. Let's try some. Let's on my hand. Ooh, hold on. Look at that gloss, y'all. Look at that gloss. This smells bust. Thank you, Skincare Bakery. I can't wait to actually use this for real. Let's open this next. This is from Snowy Care. They sent me a letter note. Hey, beautiful. Thank you. Enjoy your snowy goodies. It was an honor to serve you. Aw, so sweet. These are those viral booby inserts. Snowy. I love me some cute packaging. Both sides are sticky, so it sticks to your boobs and your clothing. This is a girl hack right here. Period. Actually cannot wait to try these. I've seen so many videos. Thank you, Snowy. Okay, next. This is from Truly Beauty. Ooh, they sent me some goodies, y'all. What is in this? So Truly sent me their shaving kit. This is the razor. They sent me their glazed donut aftershave oil. Their shaving butter. Ooh, pre-shave scrub. Oh, they also put a little baggie in this package, so it's like a real kit. Legs about to be smooth. My leg hairs are really thin and they blend in with my natural skin, so I don't realize that, like, bruh, sometimes I forget my leg hairs exist. Thank you, Truly. I can't wait to try this out. So let's open this package. Oh, I know what this is. Y'all, this is a glueless wig from Ali Pearl. If y'all follow me on TikTok or Instagram, y'all know my new obsession with glueless wigs. Y'all, glueless wigs has changed my life. They see me like this pre-did wig with pre-done edges, is bleach, plucked, cut, ready to go. I be finding and reviewing the best glueless wigs, y'all. Look at the material. This is a straight 20. Ooh. These wig companies is getting crazy, y'all. Okay, that's Daniana. And as always, wig companies always send like lashes, mirror, wig cap, tapes. Oh yeah, like tapes is a new thing. Combs, a bag. Oh, okay, what's next? Let's do this one. This is from Dr. Denise Gross. This is the Extra Strength Daily Peel. I've been really into my skincare lately because a couple months ago, I had like the worst breakout of my life. I've never had like bad acne until like a couple months ago. It was so bad. I will be trying these with caution. Let's move to behind me. Let's just pick these two up. This is the topical magnesium spray. I've heard so much about this on TikTok. So basically you spray this under your foot, on your stomach, on the back of your neck, and it's supposed to absorb in your body. And this is supposed to give you focus for elevating your concentration and enhancing productivity. I will for sure be putting this to the test because y'all, I feel like I really do have ADHD It's really becoming a really huge part of my life. So anything that helps me out, any supplement that's going to help, I'm going to try it. This is from Revive Magnesium Spray. This package now. Whitening strips from Guru Nada. Guru Nada is a super viral brand right now. But Guru Nada is an amazing brand. I'm definitely gonna let y'all know how this works because I love whitening my teeth, but I haven't done it in a while. Wait, this is from Kopari. Kopari. These are the Kopari Sun Shield Body Glow SPF. Can y'all see these? Like, I am so excited to try these. I love shining. I love glitter. Let's bust one open and see what they're talking about. Which one? Let's bust this one open. I love a goldy bronze look. I also have a problem with like applying sunscreen to my body. I'm gonna apply that sunscreen to my face, but to my body, please. It's too much body for that little tube of sunscreen, you know what I mean? So this gonna keep me right. Put this on my arm. Ooh. Ooh, hold on. Y'all, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am about to be gleaming this summer, y'all. I am about to be shining, dining, and fine whining. Okay? Y'all, look at that. I look like a glazed donut. What are you talking about? Like, they sent me all three. They sent me the collection. And it smells really, really, really good. This is my first time trying Kopari products, and they're giving a great impression. This is from Burst Oral Care. Fun fact, I used to be a UGC creator for this agency, and they worked for like some really big brands, and one of them was Burst Oral Care. So yeah, shout out to Burst. Burst sent me their whitening strips. I got two types of whitening strips I gotta use. My teeth is about to be white. Yeah. They also sent me their precision whitening pen. I'm super excited to try this. Like, basically, you put it on your tooth and they turn white. Let's see if it works for real, because that's really cool. Period. Love you, Burst. One thing I don't play about is my oral care. Listen here. Miss Charlotte Tilbury. I've been wanting to try the setting spray, their airbrush setting spray, for so long. Oh my gosh, Charlotte Tilbury is such a great beauty brand. I'm gonna let y'all know how I like this. This is from Bask and Lather. What is this? I heard a lot about this edge control. I love me a good edge control, and one thing I must support is a Black-owned business, y'all. And I'm realizing, like, let's free the edges. Like, we put too much emphasis on laying our edges and baby hair. Let's let the ground be, baby hairs be fat. I'm ready whenever y'all ready. What is this? It's from Knot Pod. This is the weighted blanket for your eyes. Weighted blanket for your eyes. I'm about to be snoozing tonight. I'm about to be sleep tonight. I've been trying to take more care of my sleep hygiene, and like, this is one great thing that I'm gonna start using. Like, I just got a mattress topper to make my bed softer. I got a sunrise lamp to help me get up in the mornings. Now, what is this? This is from Canvas Beauty. Body glaze, y'all. Have you seen this viral body glaze on TikTok? This is the icing for the skin. Body glaze by Canvas Beauty. I got the donut scent. This smells really good, but I'm not sure. I think it's, ooh. Let's try this on the back of my hand. Ooh, it's giving glazed donut, y'all. My favorite donut is glazed donut. What's your favorite donut? I hate the ones with like the stuffing inside of it. Disgusting. This smells delectable, actually. This smells like I have like donut on my hand. I love all these body butters and oils that I'm getting. I'm really gonna be so ready for summer. Open this package now. One side. Yeah. I love One Side. One Side is one of my favorite beauty brands, y'all. They sent me the ultimate setting powder. This is an ultra pink to give that like pink under eye look. I've always wanted to try that makeup look, and now I actually can. I love you, One Size. I actually met Patrick Star in person at a Milk Makeup beauty event. Let's open this package. Oh, protein powder. This is a Vita Hustle Superfood Protein. This is like the Kevin Hart brand. Like Kevin Hart is over this. It's vegan, no dairy, gluten-free. I haven't had the best experiences with protein shakes because I cannot stand the grainy texture. Let's see how this tastes and the texture and all of that. This is in vanilla bean. I definitely need to get my protein up because I don't eat a lot of protein like that. So hopefully this will help me. Thank you, Vita Hustle. Definitely gonna try this out. Okay, I really wanted this and I requested it. This is an airtight food storage container. So it's like high grade Tupperware. I think it's high grade. I moved into my first apartment by myself last year in March, and I'm still getting like certain things of my own. One thing I don't have is Tupperware. So now I have Tupperware. This is from iSoon. Thank you, iSoon, for giving me this homeware, kitchenware stuff. Period. Ooh, I'm so excited for these. These are like basic tees. I think this is like a cropped long sleeve. I mean, a cropped short sleeve and then cropped long sleeves, and then I forgot what these other two. Let's just open all of them. Let's just open it all. Long sleeve gray shirt, short sleeved green shirt. Ooh, pink, y'all, pink. Pink long sleeve, short sleeve black tee, white short sleeve tee, short sleeve gray tee, long sleeve gray tee, and ooh, long sleeve pink tee. It looks red on camera, and it might be red to some in person, but this is pink. This is pink. I'm gonna try all those on at the end of this video. Next, this box. A projector! By Hapron. Oh my goodness, it's a projector. I have like my flat screen TV in my living room, but I really want something for my bedroom. I have a lot of wall space in my bedroom. I asked this brand to send me their projector, and they sent it to me. LED projector. Y'all. No, because this is so cool. I've never had a projector before. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to post about this and to try it out for myself. Let's do this package right here. Guru Nada sent me their oil pulling oil rinse. I've heard so many great things about this. I never really oil pulled. I'm gonna start now. Also sent me their hydrogen peroxide baking soda mouthwash. Y'all, this sounds like the real deal, y'all. The hydrogen peroxide helps with teeth whitening, and also the baking soda and essential oils help for fresh breath. So it's like a combo for both. This and teeth whitening. Y'all, I'm about to look like I got veneers. I know what this package is. I know what it is. I'm so excited about this. This is from Beach Waver. I be posting their TikTok shop products. They be going viral. So they just be sending me all their Beach Wavers all the time. I love getting packages that I'm like really excited to get. Like when I see a brand that I have a relationship with drop something, I'm thinking, I know I'm getting that and I'm ready. I'm excited for it. I'm waiting at my doorstep for it. They sent me a note. So excited to see your utterly epic content. XOXO Sarah. Sarah, I love you too. Y'all don't know what Beach Waver is. Beach Waver is like the automatic hair curler. I post about it all the time on my TikTok. I don't think I've ever posted about it on my Instagram, but I will. They sent me 2 Beach Wavers, y'all. So the sizes are different. This is the Beach Waver B1.25, which is like a bigger barrel. And this is the Beach Waver B1, which is like a smaller barrel. I always use the B1. The cow print, look how cute this is. The cow print with the pink. The cow print with the pink. Cute. I love me a good cow print. Cow print hair clip. Freak. That was loud. Dry finishing spray. Stronghold hair spray. Shine spray. Hair oil. Styling gel. Okay. Ooh. Avocado protein mask. No, that got me lit. That got me real lit because I love the Beach Waver, y'all. If you don't know how to curl your hair, Get the beach waiver. You never have to worry about coloring your hair again. This isn't even in a real box, so I know what this is on the outside. This is a steam mop. I love me a home appliance. I'm real excited as somebody who lives on their own now. I love me a good home appliance. This is the steam mop and Hellhold Steamer 7-in-1. Y'all, if y'all want to see this product in detail, I will be posting about all the products that I like and like most of these products on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok if you want to see this in full action. Follow my TikTok and my Instagram if you want to see, but really my TikTok, if you want to see this in full action. I post more like home stuff on TikTok, and I'm always posting like beauty, travel stuff on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram for my daily stories. From the brand Hestia. Thank you so much, Hestia. So excited to bust this open and clean. This also tells me what it is on the outside box. This is a vacuum cleaner by Be Life. Now, if this is a pink vacuum cleaner that I've been seeing all over TikTok, I'm going to scream. Wire package is so hard to open. I see pink. I see pink. No way. A pink vacuum. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. A pink vacuum cleaner? A pink vacuum. Oh. What? I love pink. I have a pink vacuum, guys. This is why I love what I do, because I be getting the coolest stuff. I just told y'all my favorite color is pink, and now I have a pink vacuum. I saved the best for last. Oh, this must be the battery. I see, I see. Women in STEM, we love it. I love you. What's gonna be your name? This is so Barbie of me.
Hi, Barbie.
To have something like this. She sounds strong too. If you also want to see this in action, the details of this, definitely follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'm going to be posting more about this with the links and everything. We're not done yet because I have to try on these tops. So let's go do that. Quality is super good. It's stretchy. It's definitely giving like a Skims dupe. Black tea. Look at how good this looks. I love me a basic tee. It snugs you up too. It snugs you up. Gray. Thing is, it can be like, if you want it to be like cropped, like you can crop it or you can like wear it longer. This is cute. It's a cute basic long sleeve tee. Same thing. Super cute. This is pink, not red. But see, people have different concepts of pink and red. I think this is pink, not red. But some people will say this is red. It's not red enough for me to be red. Okay, last one. Super cute. I love these long sleeves. It comes down to like a perfect cropped point. I could see myself with a cute outfit with these basic tees. If you want more details of any of these products, I will be posting most, if not all of these products on TikTok and Instagram, but really with TikTok. With TikTok, I'll have the links to it, so you really get to see like the product in its totality. So catch the products on there. If you have a specific product that you really want to see the details of, comment down below and we'll get into it. Thank y'all so much for watching. That was long. This unboxing was long. It's my first unboxing. If y'all like more of these videos, let me know. I would definitely save my PR boxes for a video. That concludes this video. This was really fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And I'll see you guys later.